Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best mini garlic chopper on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the product shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. DmofwHi Mini Garlic Chopper. DmofwHi Cordless Electric Mini Chopper is a multifunctional appliance with which you can make a number of tasty dishes. The DmofwHi chopper can be used as a mini food processor for ginger, chili, veggies, Chinese orange, and lot more. The stylish aluminum body is lightweight and portable. You can carry it anywhere you go. The cordless feature of this food processor allows you to chop anywhere. The blade is made of high-grade steel, which makes it strong and durable. The sharp blade chops any food item smoothly in seconds. You can use it with the lid on or off. It is easy to clean. All you need to do is wash it under running water. The perfect size with cordless feature makes it convenient to use anywhere. The genuine stainless steel blades are tough and ready to handle whatever you feed them. With a 6-hour charge, you can chop for up to 7 minutes and still have time for a quick game of chopper soccer. Number 4. MAMICOOKER Mini Garlic Chopper. The MAMICOOKER Mini Garlic Chopper is not only a food processor, but also a garlic grinder, onion chopper, ginger grinder, chili grinder, and other food grinder. It uses a 250 ml capacity with a large bowl cover and automatically mixes the ingredients. The blade is made of high-quality stainless steel, sharp and durable. It can be used to mix vegetable, meat, fruit, and so on. The food chopper machine is made of high-quality material that is sturdy and safe to use. The mini garlic grinder is electric and portable. It features an extremely powerful motor that can chop any type of food quickly. The food processor is equipped with a food pusher that helps to stuff foods into the slicer without any mess. The garlic crusher mincer has a large capacity of 250 ml, which is suitable for most people. As a mini kitchen food chopper, MAMICOOKER is the best choice for you to prepare food conveniently. Number 3. Sunhanny Mini Garlic Chopper. Sunhanny Mini Garlic Chopper is an easy, quick, and efficient way to chop garlic into pieces. The food processor is an ideal kitchen gadget to chop garlic and ginger, making your cooking more fun. Powered by 120 V6 THC power, which is convenient to use. The power cord is in a perfect length, which is convenient to control the blades. The mini garlic chopper is small and cute. You can put it in your kitchen cabinet or other places for storage. This mini chopper is small enough to easily fit into your cupboard or on the countertop. It has a food processor function that chops, slices, dices, and grates to help you easily prepare snacks or meal. It also comes with a mini garlic crusher that helps you crush your garlic before cooking, as well as a garlic peeler and spoon. The mini chopper is made with stainless steel blades for worry-free durability and with a quiet and powerful 200-watt motor. It measures in at 9.8 inches x 4.3 inches x 5.3 inches and weighs 1.2 pounds. Number 2. KitchekShop Mini Garlic Chopper. The KitchekShop Mini Chopper is perfect for every kitchen, especially if you don't want to mess with complicated and messy traditional garlic mincers. Simply insert the clove of garlic into the electric chopper and the blade will do the rest. Make your own garlic powder, minced onions, host a salsa party, chop nuts, blend soups, and much more. All this in half the time, without all the mess, and without the cost of a full-size food processor or blender. The mini garlic chopper is both useful and efficient for any kitchen, home, restaurant, or cafeteria. It is an electric garlic chopper and mini food processor that has made efforts to design a product that is not only a time-saving gadget, but also an efficient one. The vegetable chopper is portable, cordless, and rechargeable with a free chopping blade and a free cleaning brush. It has 3 outlets with different shapes to help you get your perfect chopped foods. You can also use it to chop nuts, chili, onions, minced meat, and spices with ease. Number 1. Olrid Mini Garlic Chopper. Olrid Mini Garlic Chopper is one of the handiest kitchen tools you will buy because you can use it to chop garlic, chop ginger, chop vegetables, chop onion, chop pepper, chop vegetables, chop meat, chop nuts, chop herb, etc. We have a growing baby and we need food processor to mince ginger and garlic. The blades are sharp and works well to mince ginger and garlic. Gentle, you can chop ginger, garlic, vegetable, fruit, and food with it without worry about cutting yourself. This is an electric mini garlic chopper that chops fresh garlic, onion, and other vegetables very quickly and cleanly. Simply put the food in the chopper, plug in and press the switch. The food will be chopped into small pieces and will not fall out of the cutting dome. Cutting blades are made of high-quality stainless steel, easy to clean and maintain. It has a stainless steel blade and base, a plastic food bowl, and a 250 BPA-free plastic jar. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.